Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are celebrating the 100th day of school round about this time. So 100 days is a lot of time to be at school, isn't it? Yeah, 100 things seem like a lot of things too. So we've been practicing getting up in our numbers. We can count by ones, we can count by twos, we can count by fives, we can count by tens. How do you think we can get to 100 the fastest? Should we do 1, 2, 3, or should we do 2, 4, 6, or should we do 5, 10, 15, or should we do 10, 20, 30? Did you hear? Counting by tens is the quickest way, yes? Let's try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Happy dance with the fingers. Okay. We're going to see if we can collect 100 things. We can have a collection. Ooh, 100 is a lot of things. So I want you to think about it before you bring in your collection or decide what you're going to go start to collect. What do you have a lot of? Or can you go outside and pick a lot of? Blades of grass. Would I be able to count and get 100 blades of grass? I don't know. Pine cones? That's a lot of pine cones. Do I have a button collection at home? I don't know. Do I have beads? Do I have coins? Do I have 100 pairs of socks? So I want you to think about what you can do to make 100. Now I'm looking around my studio here. I've got crayons. I've got markers. I've got whiteboard markers. I've got pens laying around and paintbrushes. I'm wondering if I might have 100 things that I can use to write with around here. How am I going to know? Well, I'm going to have to count. And did we notice that groupings of 10 make it easier to go to 100? So I'm wondering if I can collect groups of 10. And how many groups of 10 do we need to make it to 100? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many times did we count? 10 groups of 10. You got it. I'm going to make it easy on myself, and I'm going to count to 10 times, and that's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that one fell, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 whiteboard markers. So I need to find 9 more groups of 10 to make it to 100. So I'm going to put my group of 10. Maybe I'll get an elastic and put it around it. I have a scrunchie right here. That'll work. And I'm going to keep going. And I'm going to see about my crayons. And I'm going to see about my markers. And I'm going to see if I can say I have a collection of 100. So there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I'm so short. There's another 10. Well, look at that. Now I already have 20. I'm on my way. I got to start counting my crayons. All right, so your task today is to find groups of 10 times and to show me your collection and show your friends your collection of 100. Wonder what you're going to do. All right, have lots of fun and I'll see you soon.